Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be with you again today.
Me too, Sarah. I have a question for you. What did you do last night?
Last night, I went out for dinner to a restaurant near my house.
A restaurant. Well, that is a happy coincidence, because today we are going to talk about exactly that.
Really? The restaurant?
Yes, how to order, what to say to the waiter, how to read the menu.
Oh, I love this topic because going to a restaurant should feel relaxed and easy, not stressful.
Exactly. You sit down, you look at the menu, and you should feel completely comfortable saying what you want.
No nerves, just simple, clear English.
That is exactly what we will practice today.
Before we start, please subscribe to Snack English and give this episode a like. It really helps us.
Yes, and share it with a friend, and comment "hungry" below right now so we know you are here.
Okay, so I walked in and a waiter said, "Good evening, table for one?"
Table for one. That means, are you eating alone?
Yes, and I said, "Yes, please, table for one."
And then?
He showed me to a table and he gave me a menu.
The menu, the list of all the food.
Yes, I looked at the menu for a few minutes.
What did you choose?
Well, first, the waiter came back and asked, "Would you like something to drink?"
Would you like something to drink? Very polite, very common.
And I said, "Can I get a glass of water, please?"
Can I get? That is one of the best phrases for ordering. Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get the bill, please?
Yes, very natural. And after the drink, he came back and asked, "Are you ready to order?"
Ready to order, the big moment.
Yes, and I said, "I'll have the chicken, please."
I'll have, another great phrase. I'll have the pasta. I'll have the soup.
It is short for "I will have," but we say it very fast. I'll have.
Yes, and it sounds much more natural than I want the chicken.
Much more natural. So I said, "I'll have the chicken, please, with rice."
Sounds delicious. And was it good?
It was amazing. Wait, I have to tell you what happened next.
Ooh, tell me.
So the food came, it looked beautiful, I started eating, and then I noticed something was missing.
What was missing?
A fork. I had a spoon and a knife, but no fork.
Oh no.
So I had to call the waiter. I said, "Excuse me, could I have a fork, please?"
Could I have? Even more polite than can I get?
Yes. And he said, "Oh, I'm so sorry, right away."
And he brought one?
Immediately. And he apologized again. It was very kind.
That is a great story. A small problem, a simple solution.
Exactly. And it taught me a really useful phrase. Could I have a fork, please?
You can use that for anything. Could I have some bread, please? Could I have a napkin, please?
Napkin, yes. The small cloth or paper you use to clean your hands.
Very important word.
Very important. Okay, everyone, if you are still with us, thank you. Please subscribe to Snack English and share this episode with a friend.
And comment "hungry" below. We love to see your names.
Now, Adam, I want to hear your restaurant story.
Oh, I have a good one. Last month, I went to a restaurant with a friend.
Okay, tell me.
We sat down, we looked at the menu, and my friend said, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? A great question to ask the waiter.
Yes, so we asked the waiter, and he said, "The fish is very good today."
And did you order the fish?
My friend did. "I'll have the fish, please," he said, but I wanted something different.
What did you order?
I said, "I'll have the steak, please. Medium, please."
Medium. That means not too cooked, not too raw. In the middle.
Exactly. And the waiter wrote it down, and we waited.
And then?
The food came. My friend got the fish. I got a different steak, not what I ordered.
Oh no, not your steak?
It was well done, very cooked. I ordered medium.
Oh no, what did you do?
I said, sorry, excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. I ordered this medium, but this looks well done.
Very polite way to say it.
Yes, and the waiter said, oh, I'm very sorry. Let me check.
And?
He took it back, and 10 minutes later, a new steak came. Perfect. Medium. Just right.
That is a great story. A small mix-up, but you handled it well.
Yes, and the lesson, if something is wrong, just say it politely. Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake.
Such a useful sentence for any restaurant, anywhere.
Anywhere in the world.
Okay, now let's practice. I will ask Adam some questions. Everyone, try to answer before Adam does.
Ready.
When you go to a restaurant, what do you usually order to drink?
I usually order water first, and sometimes a coffee after the meal.
Do you ask the waiter what they recommend?
Yes, often, especially if I don't know the restaurant. What do you recommend is a great question.
Do you ever send food back?
Yes, once, like my steak story, but it doesn't happen often.
Do you usually finish all your food?
Almost always, unless the plate is really big. Then I ask for a box to take it home.
A box to take it home, yes, that is very common too.
Very common. My turn now.
Ask me something.
Last night at the restaurant, did you order a starter?
No, I didn't order a starter, just the main course. I was not very hungry.
Did you order dessert?
Yes, I ordered a small chocolate cake. It was wonderful.
And at the end, what did you say to ask for the bill?
I said, "Could I have the bill, please?"
Perfect. Could I have the bill, please? Very natural way to end the meal.
Yes. Wait, Adam, I want to go back to something. I said I ordered a small chocolate cake.
Yes.
Ordered, past tense of order, but I want to ask, is the pronunciation tricky?
A little. Some people say ordered with 3 sounds, but it is really 2 sounds. Ordered.
Ordered, not order ed.
Right. The ending ed after a soft sound just adds a quick d sound. Ordered, not order ed.
Ordered. I ordered the cake. She ordered the soup.
Yes, smooth and fast. Ordered.
Good to know. Small detail, but it makes you sound much more natural.
Exactly. Okay, everyone, let's wrap up today's episode.
Yes, today we talked about the restaurant. We learned some great phrases. Can I get? I'll have. Could I have? What do you recommend?
We learned restaurant words, menu, starter, main course, dessert, the bill, a napkin.
And we learned the verb order in the past. Ordered. Pronounced smoothly, not order ed.
And we heard 2 restaurant stories, missing fork and Adam's steak mix-up.
2 very different problems. Same simple solution. Ask politely.
Always politely. Excuse me, I think there's a small mistake. Could I have a fork, please?
These small sentences make a big difference.
Now, my challenge for you. Next time you are at a restaurant, try one new phrase. What do you recommend? Or, could I have the bill, please?
Just one sentence, out loud.
And comment hungry below. Tell us, what is your favorite thing to order at a restaurant?
We love reading your answers.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Snack English, give it a like, and share it with a friend.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.